Most beginners walk into a gun store and get sold whatever the counter clerk needs to move. But there's a smarter filter. What do the experts, instructors, competitors, armed professionals actually carry when they're off the clock? Not their race guns, not their duty rigs. The handguns they trust for daily carry. We identified 10 pistols that are forgiving enough for a new shooter and proven enough that the people who train others still strap them on every morning. This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote harm or unsafe use of firearms. Number 10. HK-VP9. The HK-VP9 is one of those rare pistols that manages to satisfy both beginners and experienced shooters at the same time, which is exactly why it has become a trusted daily carry choice for many professionals. At first handling, the most noticeable feature is its incredible ergonomics. Heckler & Koch designed this grip system to feel like it naturally locks into the shooter's hand, and with interchangeable side panels and back straps, it can be perfectly customized for almost any grip size. That alone makes it extremely beginner-friendly, because new shooters can achieve proper control without struggling with awkward fit. The trigger is another major highlight, offering a clean break and short reset that helps improve accuracy even under pressure. Recoil management is smooth thanks to its low bore axis, making follow-up shots easy and predictable. For professionals, the VP9 earns trust through its reliability and consistent performance in demanding environments. It is optics-ready in many configurations, allowing modern red dot setups that enhance speed and precision. While beginners appreciate its ease of use, experts appreciate its durability and consistency over thousands of rounds. The HK-VP9 is not just a range gun. It is a real-world defensive tool that bridges the gap between learning platform and duty-ready handgun. Number 9. Springfield Hellcat Pro. The Springfield Hellcat Pro represents a modern evolution of concealed carry handguns designed specifically to give beginners confidence while still meeting the standards of experienced users who carry daily. What immediately stands out is its balance between size and capability. It is compact enough to conceal comfortably, yet large enough to offer excellent control and accuracy during live fire. For new shooters, this matters because it removes the common struggle of tiny pistols that are hard to control. The grip texture is aggressive enough to prevent slipping under stress, while still comfortable enough for extended range sessions. One of its biggest strengths is capacity, offering significantly more rounds than traditional compact or older beginner pistols, which instantly increases user confidence in defensive situations. The trigger is consistent and predictable, helping shooters develop good habits early without fighting unpredictable breakpoints. Experts still choose the Hellcat Pro for daily carry because it delivers real-world reliability in a slim, lightweight package that disappears under clothing. It is also optics-ready, allowing modern red dot integration that enhances speed and precision for both new and experienced shooters. Recoil is well managed for its size, making it approachable for beginners while still controllable for fast defensive shooting. The Hellcat Pro is a perfect example of a handgun that grows with the shooter, from first-time owner to daily defensive carry tool. Number 8. CZ-P10C. The CZ-P10C is one of those handguns that quietly wins people over the moment they actually shoot it, which is exactly why it fits perfectly in a list of beginner-friendly pistols that experts still trust for daily carry. At first glance, it may not have the same marketing hype as some bigger brands, but on the range it quickly proves why so many experienced shooters respect it. The grip design is one of its strongest advantages, offering a naturally high and secure hold that helps control recoil and keep the pistol flat during fast shooting. For beginners, this is a huge benefit because it reduces the learning curve and makes accurate shooting easier from day one. The trigger is crisp, with a clean break and short reset, which helps new shooters build confidence and consistency without struggling with heavy or unpredictable trigger behavior. For professionals, the P10C is valued for its durability and no-nonsense reliability. It simply works under pressure. The recoil impulse is soft and controlled for a compact striker-fired pistol, making it easy to stay on target during follow-up shots. It is also built with real-world defensive use in mind, not just range performance. That combination of simplicity, accuracy, and reliability is why the CZ-P10C continues to be carried and recommended by experienced shooters even in a market full of newer options. Number 7. FN-509 Compact Tactical. The FN-509 Compact Tactical is a handgun that feels like it was built with serious defensive use in mind, yet it still remains approachable enough for beginners who want something they can grow into. FN's military background is clearly reflected in this design, giving it a rugged, duty-ready feel that immediately inspires confidence. For new shooters, the biggest advantage is its predictability. The trigger is consistent and safe, designed for reliability rather than competition flair, which helps beginners focus on fundamentals instead of fighting the gun. The grip texture is aggressive and secure, ensuring control even under stress or sweaty conditions, which is something many entry-level shooters struggle with on smoother platforms. Despite being compact, it offers solid recoil management thanks to its balanced frame, allowing faster follow-up shots and improved accuracy with practice. Experts continue to carry the FN 509 Compact Tactical because it is built to handle harsh environments and high round counts without issues. Another major advantage is its modern feature set, including optics-ready capability and a threaded barrel on many variants, making it highly adaptable for defensive or tactical use. While it may not be the lightest or simplest handgun on the market, it is one of the most dependable. The FN 509 Compact Tactical bridges the gap between beginner-friendly handling and professional-grade durability, making it a trusted daily carry option for those who demand serious performance. Number 6. Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0 Compact. The Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0 Compact is one of the most balanced handguns in the modern defensive pistol world. And that balance is exactly why it works so well for both beginners and experienced shooters who carry daily. From the moment you pick it up, the grip feels natural and confidence-inspiring, with aggressive but well-designed texturing that keeps the pistol stable during recoil, without being uncomfortable during extended practice sessions. For new shooters, this matters a lot because it helps build proper control habits early without the gun feeling harsh or unforgiving. The M2.0 trigger is a major improvement over earlier generations, offering a cleaner break and more consistent reset, which makes learning accurate trigger control much easier. The recoil impulse is soft and predictable for a compact 9mm, allowing shooters to stay on target and improve quickly with practice. For professionals, the M&P9 Compact is trusted because it is simple, durable, and proven under real-world conditions. It does not rely on flashy features or gimmicks. Instead, it focuses on reliability and repeatable performance. The pistol is also highly adaptable, with optics-ready models and accessory rail support that make it suitable for modern defensive setups. Whether used for concealed carry, duty backup, or range training, it delivers consistent results. The M&P9 M2.0 Compact stands out because it is easy enough for beginners to learn on, yet dependable enough that experienced shooters continue to trust it every day in serious defensive roles. Number 5. Sig Sauer P320 Compact. The Sig Sauer P320 Compact is one of the most widely adopted modern handguns in both law enforcement and civilian defensive use, and that widespread adoption is exactly why it fits perfectly into a list of beginner-friendly pistols that experts still carry daily. One of its biggest strengths is its modular design, which allows the firearm to adapt to different grip sizes and configurations, making it easier for beginners to find a comfortable and controllable setup. This adaptability reduces the frustration that new shooters often experience when a pistol feels too large or too small in the hand. The trigger is consistent and smooth, with a predictable break that helps build confidence in accuracy and control. Recoil management is also very manageable, thanks to its balanced design and full-size ergonomics in a compact frame. For experienced users, the P320 Compact is trusted because it has been tested extensively in duty environments and proven to perform under pressure. Its striker-fired system is simple to operate, making it easy to train on and maintain without complex manual of arms concerns. It also offers modern features like optics-ready configurations and accessory rail support, making it highly adaptable for defensive setups. While beginners appreciate its ease of learning, professionals value its reliability, capacity, and long-term durability. The SIG P320 Compact stands out because it bridges the gap between training platform and duty-ready handgun, making it one of the most versatile and widely trusted pistols in modern defensive shooting. Number 4. Sig Sauer P320 M18. The Sig Sauer P320 M18 is a military-inspired compact pistol that has quickly become a trusted choice for both new shooters and experienced professionals who carry daily. Originally selected for U.S. military service, the M18 carries a strong reputation for reliability and real-world performance, which immediately gives beginners confidence when learning defensive shooting. One of its key advantages is its simple, modern striker-fired system, which removes unnecessary complexity and allows new shooters to focus on fundamentals like grip, sight alignment, and trigger control. The trigger itself is smooth and predictable, helping reduce common beginner mistakes such as jerking or inconsistent pressure. The ergonomics are also very user-friendly, with a grip angle and texture that naturally support control during recoil. For beginners, this makes the shooting experience less intimidating and more controlled. For experienced shooters, the M18 is valued for its duty-grade durability and consistent performance in demanding environments. It is designed to function reliably in harsh conditions, which is a major reason it has been widely adopted in professional settings. The pistol also features modern upgrades like modular grip modules and optics-ready capability, making it adaptable for both defensive carry and training use. Its compact size makes it easy to conceal while still offering excellent shootability. The Sig P320 M18 stands out because it combines military-tested reliability with beginner-friendly handling, creating a handgun that is just as suitable for first-time owners as it is for professionals who depend on it every day. Number 3. Walther PDP Compact. The Walther PDP Compact is often described as a shooter's handgun, and that reputation is exactly why it works so well for beginners while still being trusted by experienced professionals for daily carry. From the very first time it is handled, the grip design immediately stands out. Walther engineered the PDP with some of the most aggressive and effective texturing in the striker-fired market, giving shooters an extremely secure hold even in high-stress conditions. For beginners, this helps eliminate the fear of losing control during recoil and builds confidence quickly. Another major advantage is the trigger system, which is widely considered one of the best factory striker-fired triggers available today. It offers a clean break, short reset, and consistent feel that makes learning accuracy far easier than with many competing pistols. Recoil management is also excellent due to the balanced frame design and low bore axis, allowing faster follow-up shots and tighter grouping even for newer shooters. For professionals, the PDP Compact is valued because it delivers match-like shooting performance in a duty-ready platform. It is optics-ready, highly ergonomic, and designed for speed, precision, and repeatability under pressure. Many experienced shooters choose it for daily carry because it performs like a premium competition-inspired pistol while still being reliable enough for defensive use. The Walther PDP Compact stands out as a modern example of how engineering focused on shooter performance can create a handgun that is equally effective for beginners learning the craft and experts relying on it in real-world situations. Number 2. Glock 17 Gen 5. The Glock 17 Gen 5 is one of those rare handguns that has earned its reputation the hard way. Through decades of real-world use by law enforcement, military units, and everyday defensive carriers. It is also one of the most beginner-friendly full-size pistols ever made, which is exactly why experts still trust it for daily carry even in 2026. From the moment a new shooter picks it up, the simplicity stands out. There are no complicated controls or unnecessary features, just a straightforward striker-fired system designed to work under pressure. This simplicity is a huge advantage for beginners because it allows them to focus on fundamentals like grip, sight picture, and trigger control without being overwhelmed. The trigger on the Gen 5 is more refined than earlier generations, offering a smoother break and more consistent feel, which helps improve accuracy during training. Recoil is extremely manageable due to the full-size frame, making it easier for new shooters to stay on target and build confidence quickly. For professionals, the Glock 17 is trusted because it is proven, durable, and extremely reliable in harsh environments. It runs in rain, dust, heat, and high round count training cycles without losing consistency. The Gen 5 improvements, including enhanced barrel design and improved ergonomics without finger grooves, make it even more shooter-friendly. It is also widely compatible with modern accessories and optics setups. The Glock 17 Gen 5 remains a benchmark pistol because it does not try to impress with complexity. It wins by being simple, consistent, and nearly impossible to break. Number 1. Glock 19 Gen 5. The Glock 19 Gen 5 sits at the top of this list because it represents the perfect balance between beginner-friendly handling and professional-grade performance, making it one of the most widely carried handguns in the world. For new shooters, the Glock 19 is often considered the ideal starting point because it is easy to learn, simple to operate, and extremely forgiving during training. Its compact size makes it less intimidating than full-size pistols, yet it still offers enough weight and grip length to control recoil effectively. This balance helps beginners develop confidence quickly without struggling with excessive recoil or poor ergonomics. The Gen 5 improvements further enhance this experience with a smoother trigger system, improved accuracy, and a more comfortable grip design that removes finger grooves for better versatility. For experienced shooters and professionals, the Glock 19 is trusted because it is proven under real-world conditions across law enforcement and defensive use worldwide. It is reliable in extreme environments, easy to maintain, and capable of high round counts without performance issues. Its compact form also makes it one of the most practical daily carry pistols, offering a strong combination of concealability and shootability. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is often called the do-it-all handgun because it performs equally well as a training pistol, defensive carry gun, or duty backup. In a world full of complex modern designs, it continues to dominate simply by doing everything well, consistently, and without failure. Outro. That's the full list of 10 beginner-friendly handguns that experts still trust and carry daily. From Glock classics to modern striker-fired performers, each pistol proves that simple, reliable, and proven designs still dominate real-world defensive use. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop your favorite in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more deep firearm insights every week.